welcome to the practice problems video for the dot product and angle between two vectors. Okay, so this question is asking us to compute the following. The vector I hat plus j hat plus k hat dotted with 3i hat plus 2j hat minus 5k hat. Okay, so the first thing you might be wondering is, what are these letters for and why do they have hats on them? So basically, just an overview, a quick preview to what those mean is I is basically just the unit vector pointing in the x direction, so 1, 0, 0. J hat, anything with a hat is a unit vector. J hat is going to be the unit vector pointing only in the y direction, or in toward the y-axis basically. And k hat, you guessed it, that's going to be the unit vector pointing in the z direction, so it'll only have that z component being 1. Okay, so basically it might look a little bit complicated, but all we have to do is take the coefficients of what we see here, so that's a 1, that's a 1, and that's a 1, and then we take the 3, 2, and negative 5 and make it into vector form. So another way you could write this is 1, comma 1, comma 1, dotted with, and we'll take the coefficients 3, comma 2, comma negative 5. Okay, so now we're just going to compute the dot product. We'll apply the operation here, so we're going to do 1 times 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times negative 5, and this is going to turn out to be 3 plus 2 minus 5, and that'll end up just being 0. So 0 is our answer, and also what this tells us, remember when the dot product of two vectors equals 0, that means that the angle between them must be 90 degrees or pi over 2 radians, and that also means that they are orthogonal to each other. So these two are orthogonal or perpendicular. Okay, that's just a bonus. That was a bonus note. Okay, all right, now on to the next question.